Hello, it's Saturday in May. It's one of our last Saturdays before I'm a stay-at-home mom. My princess is helping me bake and she's gonna help me get things together for our party. So I really like to plan, fun, creative at-home parties, doing at-home projects so that the kids can have a ton of fun. Here is a glimpse of my crazy household. Real life of a full-time working mom. My house is always in disarray. Here is the dining room, which we moved stuff over because we were rollerblading in here. So I just want to show you what can be done by a full-time mom, and it's all hopefully going to get done today before our party at 4:30. It's 8 o'clock I think now, so we'll see how it goes.